Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can convert 4G network preferred network to 5G network, how you can convert in your Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. First, open settings option. Here it is. Then you see there is a network and internet setting. Click on it, and friends, you can see, just go to SIM card and mobile networks. Click on it and you can see the SIM 1 option. I am showing right now the third step. Tap preferred network type and then select 5G, and your 5G network is activated. If you have not have a 5G network, then go to your SIM card franchisee and get the SIM here, and where the 5G network is available in your location. You can just see this also, 5G usage help. Go to the SIM 1 option, and friends, you can see there is a preferred network type. It is in 4G right now. Then tap on it and go to 5G preferred. This, whenever your preferred networks is not working, like 5G is not working, it automatically shift to 4G, and when network is good, it automatically shift to 5G. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.